Today, I want to talk about one email that everyone writes, but most people fail at it. I'm talking about the welcome email. You see, that first email you send when someone joins your list, it's like the opening move in chess. Get it right and you set yourself up for success. Then mess it up and well, it's all uphill from there. Unfortunately, a lot of people make their welcome email so formal, bland, and boring that the new subscriber loses interest right off the bat. And when this happens, your future emails will start tanking. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you know exactly how to write a welcome email that has your subscribers saying, wow, this person gets me, and sticking around for more. Whether you're a coach, a course creator, a SaaS business owner, you run an e-commerce store, or even a local business, this video will show you how to write a welcome email that sets you up for email marketing success. And if you stick around to the end, I'll give you a link to download not just our high performance welcome emails, but you also get the follow-up emails that will nurture your new leads, turn them into fans, and get them to take up your offer. It's free. Cool? All right, let's go. First off, why is the welcome email such a big deal? Let me tell you something. Your welcome email is statistically the most opened email you will ever send. We are talking 50 to 60% open rate here. Now, compare it to the average 15 to 25% open rate that most people get from their regular emails. That's a major difference, of course, and I'll tell you why it's so. People are curious. They've just signed up, bought something, or requested your lead magnet, and they're eager to see what happens next. So if you don't grab their attention and build trust in this moment, you could lose them, and very fast. So what goes into a killer welcome email? I know. There are lots of opinions out there, but I'll give you a framework that I've used and which works every time. And I'll be sharing some personal stories and insights along the way because trust me, I've made some mistakes here so you don't have to. Now, let's break the welcome email into sections. This part is simple, but so important. Always thank them. Whether they signed up for your newsletter, bought something from your store, or registered for your course, a simple thank you goes a long way. And don't just post in a generic thanks for joining. Make it feel genuine, alright? For example, if someone signs up for my coaching newsletter, I don't just say thanks for signing up. I say something like, hey, I'm so pumped to have you on board. You've just joined an incredible community of ambitious people like you, and I can't wait to help you crush your goals. This sets a welcoming tone right from the start, like you're already part of their team. And note this, people don't always remember what you said, but they will remember how you made them feel. Alright? Next is to fulfill your promise. Now, this one is very crucial and you won't believe how often people miss this. If they signed up for something, whether it's a lead magnet, a free trial, or a product, give them the link or instructions on how to access it right away. Don't make them dig through multiple emails or search for it. The last thing you want is to create a friction right after they joined your list. It has happened to me before. I once made the mistake of sending out a lead magnet but forgetting to link to the actual download. Big oops, alright? My inbox flooded with confused subscribers and I had to manually respond to all of them. Trust me, you don't want that to happen to you. So, always include that link or clear instructions on how to access the thing they came for. And in addition, get them motivated to start putting whatever you just gave them to good use. If it's an ebook or course, motivate them to consume it. Same goes with software tools, physical products, or whatever you just offer them. You do this by adding a line that once again tells them the outcome they will get once they put your product to good use, alright? Something like, once you download this video, watch it and put the lessons to use, you see a dramatic increase in the number of booked appointments for your business. Do you get that? Awesome. Now, most people end their welcome email here and that's where their problem starts. The next section is where the work actually begins. It's where your new subscribers decide whether they should keep listening to you or just ignore you. After all, they've gotten what they want from you. So let's look at the other important sections of the welcome email. Here is where you can add a little personal flavor. The essence of this is to create some sort of personal connection with a new subscriber. It shows them you have what they want, and so they need to listen to you. But listen, don't go overboard with your life story. This is not your autobiography, okay? Instead, focus on why they should listen to you. For example, when I introduce myself in my welcome emails, I don't say, "Hi, I'm Patrick and I've been in business for X years, blah, blah, blah." No, I say something like, "I've spent the last decade helping people just like you scale their business using email marketing. I've seen what works and what doesn't, and I'm here to guide you through it." It's short, it's punchy, and it's focused on them. You don't need to impress them with your credentials, okay? You need to show them why you are the person who can solve their problem. The next session after introducing yourself is to tell them what to expect from you. This is where you set the stage for the relationship. Let them know what kind of content you'll be sending and how often they can expect to hear from you. If you don't do this, they might be surprised or even annoyed when you pop up in their inbox later. For example, in my welcome emails, I say something like, "I'll be sending you weekly tips on how to crush your email marketing game, plus some behind the scenes stories and exclusive content just for my subscribers." So you must be clear, be upfront, and give them something to look forward to. Are you getting it? Cool. Now, let's look at the next section of your winning welcome email. This one is my favorite. You have to create a little intrigue, like get them excited about what's coming next. You see, once they get what they requested from you, they probably have no reason to come back to you. But when you give them a hint of what you are sending them next, they'll pay attention. It's like a movie trailer for your next email. Now, the teaser must be powerful. It must be something they will eagerly want to learn, something that will help them get more of what they already got from you. For example, if someone just signed up to get a list building ebook from you, your next email could be about helping them get good open rates. This will work since anyone building a list will be interested in having good open rates. You're getting the point, right? So, to tease this in your welcome email, you might say something like, "Keep an eye out for my next email where I'll share my secret weapon for boosting open rates. The strategies will blow your mind." This will keep them hooked and wanting more. That way, they won't just ignore your future emails, alright? If you tease them well enough, then your next email will also have a very high open rate. So instead of the number going from 60 to 70% on your welcome email down to 20% on your next follow-up, you could still see up to 50%. That's impressive, right? Lastly, this is where you invite them to engage. You see, emails are a two-way street. And here's a tip I've learned from years of trial and error. If you want your emails to land in the inbox and not spam folders, getting replies is very crucial. The reason is very simple. When email providers like Gmail and Yahoo sees that your subscribers are replying to your email, it tells them that your emails are cool, it's welcome, and that they want more of it. So that increases your trust rating with them, and they will send your future emails to the inbox rather than the promotion or even the spam folder. So in every welcome email I send, I try to ask a question. Something simple like, what's the biggest challenge you are facing right now with maybe your email marketing or whatever topic you're talking about? Or I could say something like, hit reply and let me know how I can help you. This is not just about boosting engagements. It's about starting a conversation. And when people reply, it creates a connection, okay? You are no longer just a faceless name in their inbox. You are a real person they can talk to. So make sure that in your welcome email, you create some sort of engagement boosters that gets them to reply. All right. Now, enough of the theories. Here's an example of a welcome email I drafted to demonstrate how this should be done. At the end of this video, I'll drop a link for you to download the complete template containing both the welcome email and the follow-up emails. Cool. So let's look at the sample welcome email I just drafted. For the subject line, you could have, "Hey Philip, welcome to," maybe mention your brand name. Let's get started. "Hey Philip, yay, you made it. I'm so excited you're here, and I just wanted to say thank you for joining our little community. You've just taken the first step towards transforming your body and smashing those weight loss goals. I seriously can't wait to be part of your journey." All right, let's dive right in. Here's a free guide I promised you. Then you enter the link. This is packed with quick, actionable tips to kickstart your results. Go ahead and check it out. I think you're going to love it. Oh, and who am I, you ask? I'm Patrick, a certified nutritionist and weight loss coach. And over the years, I've helped hundreds of awesome people like you to shed off pounds, feel confident in their skin again, and most importantly, keep the weight off. I've been in your shoes, so trust me, I know exactly what you are going through, and I'm here to help you make it happen step by step. Here is what you can expect from me. Every week, I'll be sending you bite-sized tips, nutrition hacks, workout plans, and even some mindset tricks that will keep you on track and motivated. Oh, and sometimes I'll drop in with exclusive offers and fun challenges to keep things exciting. And not miss my next email. I'll be sharing my morning fat burning hack that I personally swear by. It's super simple, but it will make a world of difference in how you feel all day. Keep an eye on your inbox for that one. But before I go, I do love to hear from you. What's the biggest challenge you are facing right now with your weight loss journey? Hit reply and let me know. I read every response and I want to make sure I'm sending you tips that are super helpful for where you are at right now. Talk soon. Now, you can argue that this is a bit long, but here's the fact. If your email is engaging and connects to your audience, just like the one above, then they will read it to the very end. And when they do, the likelihood of them opening your next email will be very high. All right. So there you have it. A solid, foolproof guide to crafting your very own welcome email that actually gets your subscribers excited. Whether you're a coach, a course creator, SaaS business, or running an e-commerce store, your welcome email is your chance to make a lasting impression. And now you know how to do it right. So go ahead, give your welcome email a glow up and watch your engagement soar. And hey, if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips like this, and drop a comment below with what you do like me to cover next. And lastly, check the link in the description of this video to download the complete welcome plus follow-up email templates I promised you, alright? If you want an easy way to convert your new subscribers into loyal fans who end up buying your offers within 7 days, then download that template. It also comes with ChatGPT prompts to help you swipe the templates for your business in minutes. The templates are part of a paid offer, so make sure you download it now that it's still free before I remove it. All right. Check the link in the description to download it right now. Cheers, and thanks once again for watching.